Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we are going to be opening again on more Festive Lucky Blocks, but this time Radioactive. So here we go. Let's start. First block, what are we going to get, bro? What are we going to get as the first block? Sana Hot Spot. Before we move on, make sure to like and sub because this is a new account. And we're going to try to get famous on this, so yeah, let's open this. Bro, shut. We got Panda Nini. Next one. Panda again. No way, 3 pandas in a row, bro. Come on. Ah, Wiggler! We're also gonna do some secret blocks after. Alright, we opened every single one, and we got nothing but garbage. Alright, time to delete them all. Die, die. Die, die, die. Alright. Let's get some more lucky block. Get some more, get some more, get some more, get some more. We're gonna open about 20 of these. And then we're gonna go to secret blocks. And that's how the video is gonna go. So yeah. Give me these lucky blocks. Give me up. Go faster, bro. Give me the lucky blocks right now. Alright, one more. One more. Come on. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Also, let me know in the comments if you guys want me to do a lucky block race with one of my friends. If you do, I'll do it in the next video. Just let me know. Just let me know, let me know, let me know. Bruh. No, triple though. A panda. Bro, these lucky blocks kind of buns. Come on, gang. A panda. Ooh. Oh, Santa Pa hotspot. And a panda again. Bro, I swear, we cannot, like, we're not gonna get anything but pandas, like, this whole video. Oh, there's another panda, bro. It's like, there's like 10 pandas and 14 pencils, bro. Sell all these, and then we'll open some more. Bro, oh my god, be quiet! Alright, let's open some secret lucky block! Have a hard time, it's the right time. Now we're off the night away. The real time is the sweet time. We have a one-horse sleigh. Jingle bell rocks. Jingle bell sleigh, yeah, jingle bell sleigh. Sleighing and praying and ba da 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 la 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 boo boo 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 la. Alright guys, open this lucky block. Let's open the lucky block. Alright, let's go. Lucky block. Oh my god. Lucky block. Nothing good, nothing good. Nothing good, nothing good, nothing good, nothing good. Oh my god, no. Oh my god, Santa Pa hotspot again. Oh my god, bro, we can't. Secret block. Give me la secret combination. La secret combination. La secret combination. La secret combination. Ah, hotspot. Okay. get lost again. Break them all. Break them all. Break them all. Break it up! Break it up! Okay. Open some more Festive blocks. Just a couple more. One more base full. One more base full of lucky blocks. So that I'm not. Yeah, I'm in the negatives, guys. Like, this is definitely not modded. I'm just in the negatives because that's how broke I am, you know. Just imagine if you could go in the negatives. Alright, let's go. Just speed away. Speed away, speed away. Come on. Something good. Something good. Something good. Good. No thing. Oh, those 25. Those 25. Those 25. Oh, 85 million. And nothing else. So, comes down to this. The best thing of the video was a Los 25. That was radioactive. Los 25. It's the best thing we got. These look pretty cool. I already have like 5 of these though. But like, that's still good. So, if you guys want more videos like this one, then let me know. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.